For me po yung award po is, validation po nung contribution ko so far na ginagawa. So, katulad po ng sa, mental health, sa substance use, sa HIV,
Mhm.
na that was actually adopted to, some national policies that we had. I was part of a team sa, I think funded by an international NGO,
Mhm.
um a UN agency. Tapos ano po, yung work namin na-adopt siya para sa National Rehabilitation Program for, substance use. So during the height of the war on drugs, so technically it provides the framework for how to do community-based
Yeah.
rehabilitation all over the country sa lahat ng barangays po. So I knew that it would affect national policy 'pag ginawa namin, pero hindi ko lang alam na yung scale would be national 'pag inimplement na.
Right.
Tapos siguro it was an inspiring moment actually to make more, researches that actually impacts the community, especially yung sa LGBTQ+ na
Mhm.
community. I think kailangan mo ng data to advocate for something. So for me, hindi ako makikita sa streets kasi that's not me. Hindi ako magwewelga, ganyan. So,
Mhm.
my form of advocacy is actually, writing about it. So, and providing evidence for people who goes to the streets.